Hi, 你好, Chef Tom. Kung Pao chicken, dinner for two. I'm going to show you how to make it. Simple, easy, and quick. Here are the ingredients. I got some chopped green onion, the hard part, roasted red chili, dry, roasted salted peanuts, just some chopped bell peppers, green and red peppers, and this is the boneless, skinless chicken breast, thinly sliced like this. I marinated with egg white and couple tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix this nice and balanced like this, not too runny. I'll show you how to cook. First, we heat the frying pan nice and hot. Some vegetable cooking oil. Swirl a little bit. If your frying pan is nice and hot with some hot oil, so when we add the marinated chicken in, it will not stick together with the pan. So now I think the oil is burning a little bit, so we're going to add the chicken in, spread around. And we're going to let them cook for maybe like 15 to 20 seconds until they brown the bottom of the chicken before we're going to stir. That will prevent them by sticking the raw chicken meat on the pan. This video is not going to take long, so I'm going to show you pretty much the whole process. Now I can see brown the chicken, so you give them a gently stir like that. We're just going to cook the chicken for a couple minutes, like almost like 60 to 70% cooked. And we're going to set it aside. Once I see the pink color disappear, then it's ready. Alright, so this is ready. We're going to take it out. Hot pan, add some vegetable cooking oil. Now we're going to add in the dry hot chili and the green onion first. We want a 爆香. 爆香 means we want to flavor the dry roasted hot chili. In a couple seconds you can smell nice fragrance, smoky flavor. And now we're going to add some ginger and garlic. Minced ginger and garlic. Now I can start to smell the dry roasted hot chili. Nice flavor. We infuse the oil now. Next, we're just going to make it simple. Add the bell pepper and the roasted peanuts all together in. Give them a quick stir. Now I know the pan and the oil is nice and hot. The chicken has been nicely dressed. Add it in. You see, there's some juice and the excess oil. Give them a quick stir. Guess what? Sherry cooking wine first. Nice. Oyster sauce. Umami. Soy sauce. Just like that. Give a quick stir. I see flame a little bit. That's been good. Okay, now I'm just going to add some stock. Not much. 1 or 2 ounces like that. Not much. Give them a quick taste. Delicious. I got some cornstarch mix dissolved into the cold water. I'm going to thicken the sauce to give them more flavor. see, we are building the flavor. Infuse the oil. We roasted hot chili and ginger and garlic. And then we serve with the bell pepper. Got really nice flavor. And fragrant with the cherry cooking wine. And then we balance the flavor with the soy sauce and everything else. Now this is perfect. The end. Sesame oil. Fragrant the flavor. Guess what? The dish is done. Ready to serve. You can serve over this with rice or pasta. Delicious. So healthy, easy to make. Dinner for two. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.